lens adjustment dial. Are those my eyeballs? Does it knows if I'm blinking or not. There we go. Yep, makes sense. Feels like I'm in the void of the Matrix. I gotta clean this mess up before I even start using this, but we'll skip that for now. What happens if I step out of this? Okay. Hold on a second. Engage tracking on. Oh, that's crazy. It's like I'm controlling it with my mind. Let's try out the gestures. See how immersive this is.
Look, the machine's ahead.
What are you doing? Kavad.
If the boat goes over, it'll drown in these chains.
So he drowns.
Can you take this off of my head?
Kavad.
There. Can't walk in the light, you can't see in the light, right?
We should have staked him out and left him for the Glint Hawks. Damn shadow carja.
Bro, I'm on a boat. I was about to fall out.
In the military, and she still believes in justice.
Will you sit your patronizing ass down and
Ooh,
paddle?
that's nice.
If he runs,
Can I pick it up? I can't
The only
lift
place
it.
he can go. Is this a prisoner exchange?
keep your force down. There are machines out here.
Let Miss Maraud's give you a chance.
That would be next level. If I could actually twist that up.
So, either take your chances with us, or Starboard.
Stay still, you idiot. They only come this far to get struck by lightning. Alright.
What a beautiful landscape. You got water,
So some
trees,
pardon me.
mountains.
Enemy soldier was on return. I asked you a question.
This whole valley's been filling with machines.
The sun brought us Edom in the shadow to find out why.
You and Marad have lost your minds.
Hey, you can't blame Marad.
What's that Dominic doing?
It's heading towards someone's grasp.
It's headed towards us!
The headset is vibrating. Controllers are vibrating.
Let's grasp when we get there.
Oh,
Famous Marad.
okay, that's cool.
Enforcement.
If those machines keep coming, there's not gonna be anything
The
left
quality of the
when we get there.
display
was sent for reinforcements.
is similar to the displays of like the 3D movies you see in theaters.
Are those watchers still following us?
that a
He
phone?
said before we find out.
Hopefully, you guys can hear my voice better.
Get to the dock.
What is this?
We're not gonna make it!
We have to. I'm not dying.
Well, that's not a fish. L2. Okay. Grab pillars and pull.
Give me your hand. I'll get to you.
Hold square and X. Okay, I see.
Hold on.
Oh,
Snap, get me next. I've got to get off this dock.
hold square and X, push both hands. So what?
Get off this dock.
What did I do? Run, run, run.
Here it is. Time to climb.
Let me put this thing on. Yep, we're good. Let's get going.
That soldier hadn't taken off my chains.
I gotta move like a robot. Grazers. So what? You can see the shadow of my hand. That's cool. But I have no legs. I see. There we are. Aim, fire.
Just hold steady.
That's insane. What happens if I let go? Well, that's a wrap. Back to the real world. Now we're gonna see how these fit with glasses on. To have a comfortable fit, it's best to have this backside of the headband rest near the bottom backside of the head, around here, and you just tighten it up like this. It'll be basically like a halo on your head, and this thing will be hanging, and you just adjust it like so. For people who aren't used to VR or who aren't used to things clamping on their head, this might become uncomfortable after like 30 minutes. You know, it's quite comfortable for a VR headset. You can even adjust them. You can just push this out and adjust your glasses. Boom. So yeah, it's good. Works with glasses. Now we're gonna try out a couple more games. One thing I noticed is whenever I turn off the PSVR 2, the controllers don't turn off. It would have been nice if the controllers turned off when I turned this off. The dark scenes look really nice. Looks pitch black.
All in one piece, which means we can find the cargo. unique ones that I do. Secret recipe sort of thing. Used a special ingredient somebody found
It
out.
would be crazy if I could
So you
smell.
order.
Oh my gosh. The buildings and the mountains don't look the sharpest from here. Whoa. Look how the surrounding gets lit up by the lasers. That's nice. This looks like that. I can't see through the scope though. Dude.
This hotel